Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is day one of my trip to Tuktoyaktuk. Just spent the night in Saskatoon, took my grandson out for birthday dinner, fixed my daughter's car, and first thing this morning, I'm actually headed to Calgary. In Calgary, I'm going to spend a little time with my nephew, and tonight I have to go to Edmonton and meet up with everybody else. And tomorrow morning, we leave from Edmonton to Tuktoyaktuk. This is going to be a good one, guys.
So this trip has been a long time in the making. I can't believe I'm finally leaving on it. Seems like it's just been months and months of talking about it. This actually isn't the first time I've been to the Arctic Circle. On my 50th birthday, I went up to Dead Horse, Alaska. And boy, was that trip an eye-opener. I tell you, if you want to get to know yourself, really get to know yourself, spend a month on the road by yourself in a van. You'll learn some things. But this time, I'm traveling with two of my fellow guild members, Donna of Donna's Road Trips and Brian from Hit the Road YYC. And I'm looking forward to spending a lot of time on the road with these two and getting to know them.
Lots of excitement in Edmonton. Oh, where's Mara? I don't know what's going on over there. But we met up with the rest of the crew. That's Donna. And over there, that's Brian.
I actually ended up moving to a more level part of the parking lot last night because I'm a princess like that. But now that everyone's awake, we can all say hello to each other. It's been a while. And make our plans to hit the road.
Woo! Tuktoyaktuk! Well, actually today it's just Dawson Creek, but that's still pretty cool. Got Donna's Road Trips and Hit the Road YYC. Brian's, they're behind me right now. I passed them. Well, whatever. Hopefully my maps is taking us all to the same place. I see them in the rearview mirror, so we're doing good. And the plan tonight is to hit Dawson Creek, and then we're going to meet up with Harmeet and Preet, who are fellow guild members, but they're just coming back from Tuktoyaktuk. They originally we were all going to travel together, but then vacation times just couldn't be worked out. But this is awesome, guys. Just leaving Edmonton. Woo! I feel like the ones that are made out of broken sidewalk blocks are cheating.
It was a lot of driving, so after a few pictures at the sign and put our stickers up, we hunkered down at Walmart for the evening. But this is what we woke up to. Today we're off to Chetwynd, which will be the next video. So thanks for checking out another one of my videos, and like I always say, stay safe, have some fun, and get out there and have yourself an adventure. Till next time.